Hi guys, Colleen Irish Girl Trucking here. It is, of course, dark 30 outside. About 6:30, and I am stuck in the darn ditch. It was dark and pouring rain, and I tried to make a turn that I probably never should have tried to make, but I did. So I'm stuck in the ditch. Let's see, can I show you? Took the street sign. I'm in the ditch. So, feeling some kind of way. When stuff like this happens, it kind of makes you feel like, what the hell am I doing? Why am I out here? You know, but I guess life happens to all of us. What am I going to learn from it? So anyway, here comes someone trying to get down the street. So waiting on dispatch. But you know what? I'm going to keep on trucking. Gotta just take it with it. Bite the bullet. You know, suck it up. Keep it moving. All right, I'm going to keep on trucking. Have a good one. Bye.
Wait out, y'all! Wait out! Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking.